So we're now going to install handles and latch, also known as ironmongery. The first step is to masking tape off the door where the latch is going. We'll mortise the latch, we'll mortise the faceplate of the latch, and then we'll mortise where the handle spindle is going to go. We'll do a couple more drill points for bolts to go through to hold the handle securely, and then we'll tighten it all up, screw it all together, and then that will be the handles and latch installed. Offer the latch with the latch faceplate up against the door. Notice how I've got the latch with the angle so that when it hits the strike plate it will hold it correctly. Mark top and bottom of the face plates. So the way I do it is I have the body of the latch is there, so I know that's my top line and that's my bottom line. I actually want to mortise with the blade. I want to position it so that it's just above there and just below there. And that means I've got a bit of wiggle room. The way I mortise the door is I use a mortise jig. You can change the router bit on the end. So 19mm router bit. I just offer it up on the width of the latch to ensure that it's going to mortise that way enough. I'm not worried about that way because I'll adjust that in a second. Okay, it's now on. Now I've set that up, I adjust the depth. Stop on the back of the mortise jig. So I push the bit right into the door. I grab the latch and faceplate and I set the depth of how deep I want the mortise to go. So yeah, that's good. Bosch drill, the settings on the side, that's for rewinding, that's for going forwards. And then here we have speed as well. We have the setting for speed there, and then we have going inwards and going outwards. Just try that latch inside. I'm just going to pencil around the faceplate. I'm going to mortise the faceplate out. We'll use this 25mm router bit because that's the width of the faceplate, and then any additional we can just chisel out afterwards. Just going to set the depth for the faceplate. So we push the rattle bit up against the door leading edge, and then put the faceplate on top of the latch faceplate, push the depth stop against that. We know our mortise doesn't need to be that deep. We can finish it with a chisel for a neater finish. So keep spinning it, and that's about the distance you want to go under the line. I use a 25mm Forstner bit. And just mark where the back of the latch was before. There. I'll do the other side as well. That's gone in there nicely. I'm just going to drill a small pilot hole where the two screws will go there. Just one at the top. Rosetta handles. They come with these bolts, screws and a spindle, so we'll install those bolts as well. Got these bolts and just undo so that when the latch goes in, that goes inside.